Guys, we all know that the orca, the killer whale, is always a great predator. They kill whales, they kill other sea creatures, they hunt in a very intelligent way. But did you saw them when they hunt birds? Let's watch it. So there is one orca and three birds. Oh my god, he put a bait there, a fish maybe, or the remaining of the fish. Don't do it. This is very intense. He is very clever. Oh my god, what is he throwing? From his gut. Something comes out from his gut. Oh, some part of the fish, I guess. So he is acting like he is friendly, giving them the food. The one bird on the side is telling that don't do it, Jerry. You know what happened to Bob, right? This is getting intense. I hope they don't take the bait. He is trying hard though. I guess not.